Good morning, kids. Here we have our Republic floor drill, model TSA 45. We're going to go through some of the operational features of this drill and some of the little perks. On-off switch here for main power. We want to close the door. The door is a safety switch. Emergency stop off. The basic operation of the machine is depth, feed. There's a tapping and a drilling function on here. This is variable speed for the spindle, coolant, and light. The coolant is placed down in the bottom of the tank there. It returns via this little filter here, and it goes back through the hole into the base, and then this is the coolant pump, which goes ahead and pushes the coolant back up through the machine, and we have the coolant on-off switch right here. We have lever number 1 will give you this range right here. Lever number 2 will designate in this lower range and these speeds, which are controlled variably between right here. This is the feed rate per revolution. There's 7 thousandths per revolution, 4 thousandths, and 9 thousandths per revolution of the spindle. The feed engagement, that locks it into feed. This disengages it, and we're pretty much ready to go. First off, what we're going to do is put in the tool. Number 3 Morse taper is my tool here, and then I've got a sleeve. This is the tool ejector, so we want to make sure that the tool ejector is down. That way, when I go ahead to put my tool up in here, make it secure, use a block of wood, get it securely up in there. Now the tool is going to go ahead and rotate, and it won't fall off. One of the features about the machine is the tapping function. We would take it and switch it over here at this lever here, and what that does is when you get the machine to go, take it down to your same depth that you've got set from your hole that you set up in here, and then you allow it to go down. It's also good for reaming, going down slowly and coming back up slowly. Each time it travels to the ends of the limits, it will reverse top and bottom. Once it reaches its depth, it'll release, bring it back up, and you're done. This here is the tool extractor. In order to operate it, give it a little poke like that, and the tool comes out. The table raises and lowers by a simple method of a rack gear. It's also maneuverable, so you can actually turn this sideways and get to the exact position. If you have a different part that you want to support and doing just the end, you can actually put this to where it supports the machine. As far as lubrication, the oils are listed in the manual. The lubrication points are right here. As you see, the line is, the oil line is in the middle of the sight glass. You do not want to overfill this. And here in the back of our Republic floor drill, we have a UL approved electrical system. This is for those companies that absolutely positively need to have UL approved components in order to pass code and get the machine certified for operation in your plant. So that should pretty well wrap it up. If you're interested in this drill or other smaller or larger floor drills, radial drills included, Republic has a full line of different machinery to suit any drilling need that you have. Be sure to visit and look at our product line at Lagun.com.